Ni umwe wa mithako iria ikoretwo ikiingira guku bururi-ini ica ikuhi ngatho kuri kocha Jacob Nyaundo uria nowe muthunduri wa muthako wa floorball ikereka riri agitutariria maingi megie muthako wa uniball muthako uria wanjiriirie mieri 6 mithiru. Na hihi mwiroreri wahota kwiyuria uyu ni muthako uriku no thaka gwatia tega matunia mu Simon Bugwa uria onake ni kocha oro undomwe na rifari wa muthako uyu ni gututeithiriria gucokia ciuria icio
umanite na gutwarithia kwa kuguru kumwe kwa muithikiri ugakinyanga kuguru kumwe ukorwo na matanga meri ugakinyanga ugitwarithagia balance ite hau iguru ugacoka ugakorwo wina mubira ta wa basketball kana handball nigetha ugatuika ni urathii ukiuringithagio ta uri uthakaga basketball warikia guthaka wathi ugithaka uguo mwi timu-ini ya andu 5 kana 5 ugathi ukaingeria goal post-ini uria wageirwo bado ukorwo urio o muithikiri-ini waku uri iguru.
Athaki aria mararugamirira bururi muthako-ini uyu ni acrobats kwona mari na utaramu maundu-ini maingi mawigie na oho hihi mundu oyaga ihinda rigana atia kumenya muthako uyu.
Ni rahisi. It can take you like 1 month ushajua kubalance. Kwa mtu mzima 1 month you know how to cycle. Kwa mtoto mdogo 2 to 3 weeks ni mtu anaendesha peke yake. So we have plans tuende kwa primary schools, tuende kwa secondary schools, tuwafundishe kucycle. Wakishajua kucycle alafu tuwalete nini? Tuwaingize sasa kwa game.
Ta muthako ugi o wothe muthako wa uniball ni uri mawatho na mitaratara yaguo ta uria ufatie gukorwo ugithakwo na kocha Nyaundo agatutwara ikinya gwa ikinya mamwe ma mawatho na mitaratara iria ifatie ni kurumirirwo hindi ya guthaka.
Uwezi kucheza ball kama uko juu ya bike. So you only play that ball, you only touch that ball if you're on top of that cycle, that unicycle. Then it is played with 5 players from each team. But a team composed of 10 players, but a match composed of 5 players from each team. Then we have the substitutions are running, like basketball, like handball, like basketball and handball. So it's running, basketball, handball, roll ball, floor ball, they have running substitution. Then you cannot touch other player when you're playing. You cannot extend your hand to touch the other opponent player. You can only take the ball, snatch the ball from the other player.
Muthako uyu nori ufatie guthakwo ni athaki 5 o timu ni mweru muno guku bururi-ini na ta uria kocha Nyaundo aratariria ni makoretwo magitamburuka nginyagia bururi turigaine wa Tanzania na guthondeka timu makirongoreria kuguciriria mabururi maingi niguo guthondeka himbitano cia gitaru kia Afrika ya irathiro mwaka ukite.
I want to extend my effort to Kenya Sports Academy na Ministry of Sports so that they can come in and pick the game so that to spreadishe game kwa counties zote, to spreadishe game in Africa, to spreadishe game in the world so that ikuwe ni Kenyan own game.
Na tondu utiri undu tarire mithia ciaguo ri hihi ni ihingica iriku kocha Nyaundo atunganite nacio gwa kahinda kau makoretwo magithaka muthako uyu.
Challenges yenye tuko nayo ni hizi unicycle aziko karibu, but we can get them from Tanzania. Tanzania zinauzwa cheaper than compared to Kenya. Then pia ground, but uzuri ya uniball inaweza kuchezwa mali yote hard na flat. Hata kama ni mali kuna nyasi unaweza kucheza hiyo game. Hata kama mali hakuna nyasi but ni flat, you can play that game.
Gukiri uguo Nyaundo ndariganirwo ni guikia ritana kuri thirikari na makiria ministry ya mathako guteithiriria hari ukuria wa muthako uyu. Ni githomo kia goro kuri mbeu njithi aria maranegena ni wagi wa mawira makomeire taranda ciao. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwihaki wa Ndogo.